But then he came to the bridge by the watermill.
What's the matter, Thomas?
Why are we slowing down? Is there an animal on the line?
No, it's just, well, Percy said he heard something spooky last night as he went over this bridge. But I'm sure there's nothing to... Ah!
Ooh!
Did you hear it, Thomas?
Do you mean that terrible moaning and groaning?
To the bridge.
It must be a troll.
A troll?
Trolls live under bridges. Don't you remember the three billy goats Gruff?
Percy's right. It was a mean, hungry troll that lived under the bridge. The 3 billy goats were all scared to cross over. They made the little one go first, and he survived by telling the troll to eat his bigger brother. I'm going first!
I'm going second.
Calm down, Toby. What are you racing for?
Go on, Toby.
We can't wait here forever.
I don't hear anything
The
now.
troll is gone away again.
There's probably nothing to worry about. I mean, whatever it was, it's probably... Oh! Oh!
Don't eat me! Don't eat me! Don't eat me!
He's still here. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. The third one has to be brave, Thomas. The third one has to make the troll go away.
What are you talking about, Percy?
In the story, the third goat is the one who makes the troll go away, and you're the third! Oh, Thomas! He's very hungry now!
You know, Clarabelle, that doesn't sound like a troll to me.
I do believe you are right, Annie. It sounds more like a cow.
A cow?
A cow?